Hello, welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style. Look what I got here. A bombastic salad, watermelon, feta cheese, and we did a pesto with fresh mint and lime juice. So we're gonna start it with some lime juice. I had 3 limes, some fresh mint, some feta cheese, olive oil, salt, watermelon of course. Look, fresh mint. It starts smelling very nice. So we're gonna do a pesto just here. Now we're gonna add a little bit of salt and the extra virgin olive oil, yeah? And we are gonna just squeeze it and make our pesto handmade. That we have the leaf of the mint and the smell of it, everything together. That's why we are not mixing it in the blender, yeah? Just like that. Look, slowly but firmly we got our pesto, yeah, just like that. You see, it has leaves and it has flavor and everything together. Yep. So on the other side we're gonna add some feta cheese. We're gonna cube it, yeah. Just I have a half a melon and I have these 2 feta cheese, just like that. We are gonna set up our salad. So we're gonna divide the watermelon into 2 portions. The first portion on the bottom, then we're gonna add some feta cheese. We're gonna top it with a more watermelon. The idea is not to mix it because we have to avoid mixing it, otherwise we too watery the salad. Just before eating, we're gonna take with a spoon and serve direct in the dish, yeah. Now after the watermelon, we're gonna add some rest of feta cheese. Yep. And then later on we are just gonna top it with our pesto with fresh mint. So if you are too far to here, why don't you leave your comment behind here, and also leave your thumb up if you like the video, and subscribe to the channel. Quite easy salad for the summer, very refreshing. You will like it. This mix from the feta cheese, the watermelon and lime is just fantastic for the summer. It's very refreshing. So we top it with our pesto with fresh mint, and there we are, just to enjoy it. So thank you very much for watching for this video and the other videos, for subscribing, and of course your like behind the video. So thank you very much and have a nice journey.